How to transfer money from Cash App to bank. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to bank. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application as you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app. After that, make sure you tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This is the profile section of Cash App. On this page, there are many options that you can use to navigate to different parts of your Cash App account. From there, scroll down a little bit and come to this section here. Under the section, make sure you tap this option named Linked Banks. It is under the Account and Settings page. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. After that, this other page will appear here. On this page, you will see a list of all the bank accounts you have linked. Also, there is an option here that you can use to add or link a new bank account to your Cash App account. So to do that, make sure you tap here and you will be taken to this other page where you are required to enter your card information, just like you can see here before you can connect it to your Cash App account. So go ahead and do that. Also, you can directly add your bank account to Cash App without a card. To do that, make sure you tap this option here named No Card. You will be taken to this other page where you are given some information on linking your bank account. Make sure you read the information to get a better understanding before proceeding to link your bank to Cash App. Next, proceed and tap here. Finally, this page will appear where you will see a list of all the banking institutions that can be linked to Cash App. Make sure you look for your bank from this list and then tap on it. You can also search for the bank you are looking for by typing its name on this search bar here. After that, it will appear. Next, tap on it and then enter the bank details, and you can proceed and log in. After linking the bank to your Cash App account, come back to the main page again. Next, tap this option that appears at the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, this other page will appear. On this page, there are various options. There are two options at the top of the screen where you can either add money or withdraw it. Choose the withdrawal option. A menu similar to this one will then appear. The menu has a preset amount of money you can withdraw to your bank account. You can also enter a custom amount by tapping on this option here. After that, enter the amount and press Continue. The money will then be withdrawn to your bank account. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to transfer money from Cash App to bank.